This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Heather Base. Welcome home to this custom-built all-brick home in established neighborhood of Dock Landing. Well-maintained property located in a cul-de-sac and overlooking the Elizabeth River. Full bath on the first floor. Open floor plan, large family room west/built-in custom bookshelves that flows into the open kitchen west/eat-in area. Granite countertops with new farmhouse sink. New SS appliances overlooking the backyard. New roof, new Andersen windows and new Andersen French doors with lifetime warranty. Spacious laundry room west/sink. Hardwood flooring. Primary bedroom has tray ceiling with an extra seating area and 2 separate walk-in closets. Primary bathroom has jetted tub with separate shower. Irrigation system with well to keep landscaping in pristine condition. No HOA. For more information, review the details below or contact Heather Base at 757-488-4600.